Alright, this is what we got going on this morning. We gotta change this valve out. So 5. Thermostat well limit. Gotta change that gas valve out. Drained over the sump pump. And I'll turn the gas off. Should be a piece of cake. Just gotta get the water out of it. Alright. Let's get this thing off of here. Still draining the tank. Crap. Didn't bring my nut driver. This will work. Looks good. Looks good. We're going to leave this on so we can twist it. Just gotta wait for the water to drain. Alright, we're done draining. Finally. Done draining. Better wrap the hose up now, it's nice and warm. But on these, can't get a wrench back there. So, that's how we're gonna get it off. part number. Oh, there we go. Might have a little water. Maybe none at all. Tank looks pretty clean. For your pleasure. Give her a little bleed. Bleed it out a little. Stinky. Line it up in the slot. That back in there. This back in here. upside down. Hate these small pilot lines. Be here forever trying to light this thing. Oh, it's lit. We're lit. Let's get some water on it. Tighten up the packing. Set that right about there. So that's it. We just got to fill it up and she's good to go. And that valve is leaking. And I don't want to tighten it up anymore because I'm afraid I'm going to blow it out. Okay, that was diagnosed by another service tech, and they just gave it to me to come out here and slap it on really quick. So we didn't get the diagnostic on it, but you know, we got the repair. Not too hard to change out. You just drain the tank, and because with electronic valves, you don't want to do them on the fly, let's put it that way, because you don't want to get them wet. Other ones I don't really care about. I mean, you could do it on the fly, but sometimes I've done it to where I wrap the plastic. This one didn't have a plastic bag, but I wrapped a plastic bag around the valve, and you get the pressure off the tank, you airlock it, take that out, throw it in there, and then take the plastic off of it. I've done that before, but simple change out, nothing to it, and we are on to the next one. Like and subscribe.